Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. I am here outside going for a nature walk. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. I'm enjoying the nice weather today. There's going to be a thunderstorm too, guys. You're going to have a good day today. We don't see anything yet, but we're still looking. Jump on, Ram! Jump on, get back on, jump on! Jump on! I think we'll stay on feet. Dogs on my feet. Jump on, Ram! Jump on, get up here! Jump on!
You okay? Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Come on.
Here we go, guys. We're trying to get back before the thunderstorm strikes. So here we go, guys. Just have fun driving, guys. Two you guys are here. You would like this place, Eric Outdoorsman, and anybody else would like this place too. It's a good walking trail. There's a lot of butterflies here too. Nice hike. You guys haven't checked out my video called "Build the Capos in Baxter State." That is a good video too. Let's give a shout out to my friend Eric Capo. Eric Outdoorsman. Now I'm trying to get back to the van, guys. Hurry, guys! Bigfoot's gonna go! Bigfoot's gonna hurry! Hurry! It's a bump, guys, bumpy. Let me know if you guys think that. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you think that Bigfoot is out here in the woods somewhere? Oh, the hunter at this restaurant. The reason that I have the box on my screen, guys, the reason that you see a box, that helps me a little bit with the sun. Because I don't reach it with my eyes. I have a Toys R box that I used to dry my eyes with. Kind of windy there. It's a bit windy. That's good. It's cooling down. It's hot here, 86, I think. If you guys have seen my other short, this is the other way to the trail. It's a different trail, but it's the same. It's a different trail. I'm trouble. Going through the streets. Everything I know. I will fly. Lead into the streets. Well, the capo at Baxter State. With a mountain car over capo at Baxter State. Do, we can do it now. We are the ones who say we can do the things. Well, the capos at Baxter State with the mountains car. Oh, the capos at Baxter State. Most country dad can't stop. I see ya.
We've known you since you were 4 years old.
Bye, Dad.
Now you're 29, totally bold. Patriots pride from head to toe.
Country music, Dad. Bye.
Tom Brady crush, yeah, the whole world knows. You sing all day in every place. Always concert, superstar face. Good vibes follow wherever you roam. One joke in and you own the room. Life gets loud, life gets wild. You turn the mess into a smile. You make us laugh. You light the room. Turn hard days into sing-along tunes. Funny kind and seriously cool. Yeah, better believe it. You totally rule. It's on the phone from morning to night. Best friend talks on repeat, right? Your mom says gonna roll up your sleeve. Flu shot today, but you still believe. You show up strong, you show up true. There's not a dull day hanging with you. Big heart, big laugh, timing on point. Stealing the show without making a choice. Every place you go, it's clear to see. The world's a little better when you're you and me. You make us laugh. You light the room. Turn hard days into sing-along tunes. Funny kind and seriously cool. Say it loud now, you totally rule. With one more song and a killer joke, you make us laugh. In the room, turn tough days into sing-along tunes. Funny kind of automatically cool. No doubt about it, you totally rule. So here's to you, just being you. Say it loud, cause it's all true. Don't ever change. Nick has a man crush on Tom Brady. favorite song on repeat again.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.